everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, rest in peace to Pastor GWALA. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 3rd to the 7th of April 2023 on Monday. Sibonelo is back in the game. Nosipho does the unthinkable to find justice for her son. Mrs. Madlala's KG about her newfound fling on Tuesday. Nkunzi almost find the money Sibonelo is laundering in his business. 2 people are found dead in Nurses Lindley's house. Lily is on Sibonelo's case, Ribongani's death on Wednesday. Nkunzi sees his dead son. Hlelo confronts Sibonelo for dragging Sbu in his business. The Hlobos eye the hub management position on Thursday. Sibonelo and co-identify a new place to launder money. Nkunzi Nkazimulo and Molly struggle to come to terms with the GWALA's loss. Mrs. Madlala leaves Madongwe hanging and goes on a date on Friday. Sibonelo and Nomaswazi head to Mbata's church with a stack of cash for offering. Mamlamo proposes Hlelo to become a big sister at the youth center. Mbata makes his return in style. Well, guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.